All right, YouTube. This is goodbye to the Z900. In about, to you, a few seconds, to me, a few hours, there's gonna be a difference in bike. Don't get me wrong, this is a great bike to own. It's a great and wonderful bike to own. If you ever get an opportunity to get a Z900, get one. The upright seating position is amazing. You don't have any back pain. I really enjoy this bike. I really do. This is a great bike to own again. But my riding style, I don't think this bike fits me at my current age. So I want to get something that's a little bit my style. So I'm gonna go and see if I can trade this bike in for a bike that I like to ride. Well, that's a little bit more my style. So I'll see you guys in a second on the bike that I actually like. Ladies and gentlemen, the bike is in the dealership. If you're interested. Oh, they left my red stickers on there. That's how I know it's mine. I don't care. As soon as you sell it, it hits the sales score. It's pretty cool. Well, good luck. And good life. Nothing wrong with that bike though. It's a good bike. Well, now the bike is for sale in the dealership. I didn't take many mods off. I don't really care for the mods. Cycle of life. Next to the MT-09. Oh, MT-10, never mind. Hell yeah. Now let's look at what I got next. Is it the MT-10? Is it the 1000R? Is it the Z900 RS? Is it the Ducati? Stay tuned, I'll show you. YouTube is official. Welcome me to the Big Boys Club. When I say big boy, I mean big boy. I mean big boy. Hey. Not only did I get the right bike, I think I got the best bike.